Theme for the African Insurance Exchange 2026: The Insurance Renaissance. Rebirth, reinvent, redefine. Where geometric African patterns meet futuristic cityscapes. Innovation rooted in trust, intelligence, and professionalism. The African insurance industry is entering a renaissance. Electric blue signals new horizons and technology. Neon pink pulses with creativity, disruptive thinking, and energy. A fusion between human values and technological evolution. The silver robotic hand represents modernity and reinvention. A protector of life, hope, and transformation. The butterfly, our symbol of metamorphosis, mirrors the industry's reinvention journey. Lilac embodies renewal, imagination, and rebirth, where technology and humanity converge, where Africa leads the reinvention of global risk and resilience. African Insurance Exchange 2026. Rebirth, reinvent, redefine.